Hey guys, today in the garage, well, we're not actually going to be in the garage. I've got stuff laid out all over my laneway because today is wash day. We've got to deal with this frame. We've got to get rid of all this grime. We're going to start with a good pressure wash, and then get all our little scrubber tools. And then we're going to show you how to make this frame look like a new 2023 frame and really have that brushed look. This breather box is filthy. Like, it's got a lot of mud in it. And you really think like that's not good for your bike. The air filter on this thing was horrible. We've got new stuff coming, but we've got to get this all scrubbed up. We'll get it restored and this thing will be looking brand new. So we managed to get quite a bit of the crud off this bike. But we're gonna soak her down here. A little bit more of the simple green, the purple stuff. Just give her a good going over. This is where these brushes come in handy, right? They really allow you to get in here and scrub up this stuff that's just been stuck in here for who knows how long. You know, and if you get the big stuff off with the brushes, you can use a Scotch-Brite pad. This is like a fine one. Green ones I think are a little bit more aggressive, and you can really start getting a lot of that stuff off. You know, I know that some guys are vapor blasting their frames, but I'm just straight up tell you, I don't have a vapor blaster that I can shove this in. And the closest company close to me, well, they, first off, they're really expensive. And second off, they're really busy. So I don't want to wait, 2 months to get my frame back. So we're gonna do it the old fashioned way. Give you guys something to see. But these frames really come out good. See here. Well, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but that's a pretty dramatic difference from what we started with. I'm going to set the camera up so you can see me go at her, but I'm going to be here for a while scrubbing all this. We're definitely making some progress. We're going to try this, see if we can get into some of these little tight spots. It's not really working at all, to be honest. One tip I want to give you guys. This stand is junk, okay? The bike constantly wants to fall off. There's no wind today. It's pretty nice out. But like, if I touch it, do not buy one of these stands. The M64 Team Issue garbage stand. Go to in the States, I guess it would be Harbor Freight. But in Canada, Princess Auto sells an aluminum stand for like 30 bucks. And I think I paid like 60 for this piece of crap. Never again. We're gonna use the impact driver again and pull out these screws. Don't want to start twisting them because they could get stripped. So again, apply pressure. Set the wrong direction here. Apply pressure. Give her a tap. Now she'll come right out. Otherwise, these screws are so rusted that you'll snap them right off in the swing arm. So I imagine it's pretty hard to see, but you can tell, like, those screws are covered in dirt and grime. So we're gonna try and pick them out so we can get the bit in properly. We're gonna get rid of these Rockstar Energy stickers. That's not the theme we're gonna be going with on this bike. So we got our heat gun out. It's got 2 settings. I don't think anybody's ever used the low setting in their life. So it's high, get them hot, peel these stickers off. I'm just brushing it back and forth, trying to get the heat to be pretty even. Get this edge to work up, and then we'll use the little pick because it's going to be pretty warm. You can see with just a little bit of heat, they start coming up. How easy it is to peel it off. Just getting that initial start. It's still warm, but I can put my hand on it, so it's not glowing hot. Those together before it becomes a problem. This leftover residue, we're gonna get it cleaned up with Goo Gone or acetone, something that's gonna cut through and clean that up. I'm gonna try and use some of this stuff. I don't know, it smells like acetone. Comes in a lighter fluid bottle, so we'll see. I've used it before, it works pretty good. All right, guys, so this chain guide, it's in pretty good shape. So obviously some scuffs and some wear. We're going to try and take those burrs off here with we're gonna use a hand file actually. I don't want to use the electric grinder because if you nick and hit all sorts of other stuff, if you miss, it looks bad. Hand file, you have a little bit more control, just rounding those edges off. You can see here there's like a handprint. We pretty much got it washed, but doing some more scrubbing, I put my dirty hands on it. So what I use to really give that nice brushed look, and this auto sol works really good. The problem, it's not a problem, but the auto sol metal polish, the issue with it is you can actually turn this frame into chrome if you spend enough time on it. This stuff is crazy good, you know, made in Germany, but you know, ocean safe, so you know, you can swim with it, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna show you guys what we can do here. So it cuts like a toothpaste, you know what I mean? You put a couple little dabs, and we're not using much here, because we don't want to polish this up. This stuff's expensive, but you know, you pay for what you get. So straight brushing, that's what we want. Nice straight brushing. You know, get those brush marks in there, make it look really good. See, and this stuff kind of just polishes itself right in. And hopefully you guys can see the difference. But it gives it a real nice finish. So that's what we've done to the frame on the bike. You take a nice clean rag or paper towel even, you know. Wipe off your excess. Yeah, that's real nice. It just gives it that nice look. Day 18, cleaning parts. It's been a long journey. It actually hasn't been that long. It was like a little bit of time after work one day, and then, you know, the Saturday came, so we spent some time cleaning parts. Then it rained, you know, then my battery died on the phone. So I got most of the parts done, and let's say, realistically, 10 hours worth of cleaning. You can see a lot of the parts are coming together, getting scrubbed up. They're all clean. All the bearings are repacked. You know, the frame looks good. Still gotta pull the stickers off the front forks, but no big deal. To the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm on